Here we have the Ferrari F12 TDF, one of Ferrari's modern greats and actually a personal favourite of mine. And with there being fewer than 800 ever made, we don't actually see many of these coming through our doors. This particular TDF first visited us in 2022 when the owner opted for a full Novitec exhaust system in Inconel, and at the time he went for sport cats. After enjoying the setup for a few years, he gave me a call one day and said it would just be annoying to not try the fullest and most brutal setup at some point, which I kind of found quite funny. That kind of enthusiasm is rare with this sort of car, especially someone doing a mod to it. So of course we're really excited to get the car back in and see what we could do. Despite the new setup being a bit more extreme, it does still retain the original Novitec rear silencers and remote kit, which means there's still an on and off mode for the exhaust. While the catalyzed setup produces a much more refined and F1 kind of style scream, the catless downpipes do take things to another level, adding a lot more aggression, especially at lower RPM, and in general a much rawer tone. This obviously means more cracks and pops on the overrun and on the gear shifts. And I did also explain to the customer that at night, after a bit of driving, he's definitely seen some flames coming out the back. While many owners are now upgrading or adding to their collection an 812 comp, with Novitec systems, it's also exciting to see a TDF owner pushing for an even more visceral and emotive driving experience.